don't know. I don't know what that could be.
This looks like this could be a picture for me.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Exclusive.
Oh my God!
Highly
I think I'm
exclusive.
dreaming.
It's an exclusive book. Oh, yes.
I love the shoe.
Let me know.
I never thought I would get this book in my life.
Yeah. It's a chew book.
I love it.
Ma, I had to ask that special request because it wasn't even on the shelves yet.
Thank you, Ben. I love it.
Oh
my God.
Look at that.
I can't believe it. This is what? Oh my God. I think I'm dreaming. Oh my God. Oh, I love this book.
You're a cooking machine now. You're a cooking guy.
God is good.